Hello, it's Stacy Drake here, and on the same day as recording my high school videos of October of 2019, I'm gonna explain the bottleneck that Irvington BOCES has. Let me pull away from this page. This is the school with the bottleneck. It serves 7 through 12 in 7th grade, 7 through 12. And it has only, somewhere it will say it only has 7 classrooms. Yeah, 7 classes in grades 7 through 12. That's like one classroom per grade, a little more than that. I'll explain the bottleneck with an analogy. You know, if you're having a busy corridor on a railroad with the same ratio of amount of tracks, there's going to be only a single track with passing sidings, and then you're going to have lots of trains passing each other in both direction, in either the same direction or different directions at the passing sidings, in order to provide express or local service, but you're not going to be able to provide it in the reverse peak direction. Now, that's just trains, but I'm talking about how in a program like this, you're not going to be able to offer extra courses, AP courses, and some required courses to graduate if you don't cut out others courses, which in this school they cut out lots of science and math courses in order to make room for history and arts courses. They only have one classroom to serve all 6 grade levels in math. And the teacher there wasn't good for me when I was there. But they have to teach elementary school pre-algebra, middle school pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 1A, algebra 1B, geometry, algebra 2, pre-calculus, and calculus. They have to teach all of those in that one classroom, plus the two nonlinear math courses, business math and financial algebra. And that's just not enough room for that many classes, and there's a maximum of 7 they can offer at a time. It's just, and then in the science classrooms, they only keep one of them open for half a day out of the 2. They offer chemistry, environmental science, earth science, and physiology, biology, or what's called the living environment in New York. And then they don't offer physics. That's just bad, because for the 12th graders, they could easily do well in physics. Not have to use the upstairs classrooms, which I'll explain later. The upstairs classrooms are actually only for students like socias who can handle them. And the reason why they don't offer more classes downstairs is because the socias rule. They get what they want and what the autistic students don't want, like me. It's just what we get. Because they don't want the autistic students to get their needs met. This is what basis of Irvington BOCES. And then there's a large variety of actually social studies and science courses, because there's an extra classroom that they steal from the science class, I think. That's my theory, because they have an extra room that they're using all these social studies courses in. This teacher, other than the one social studies teacher, the one English and social studies teacher that I really liked the most, he was a great teacher, and then the English teacher. But they have a 4th room for that stuff. Then they don't offer health or Spanish every year. They don't offer music. and Spanish and health are both mandatory, so that's the problem. They tried to get rid of it from they tried to make it optional because of how few courses they can offer. But this is the bottleneck. They can't add more courses without taking others away. Bye.